Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about hard drive data recovery services. Hard drive data recovery services are specialized services that help users to recover lost or damaged data from their hard drives. These services are designed to help users recover important files, documents, photos, and other data that may have been lost due to a variety of reasons, including hardware failures, software malfunctions, viruses, and accidental deletion. There are many different types of hard drive data recovery services available, each with its own set of features and capabilities. Some of the most common types of services include software based recovery tools, data recovery labs, and remote data recovery services. So, first one is software based recovery tools. Software based recovery tools are designed to help users recover lost or deleted data from their hard drives using specialized software programs. These tools are typically easy to use and can be purchased online or at a local computer store. However, they may be not effective for more complex data recovery tasks. Second one is data recovery labs. Data recovery labs are specialized facilities that are equipped with advanced hardware and software tools to recover data from damaged hard drives. These labs are staffed by trained professionals who have extensive experience in data recovery and can often recover data that is considered unrecoverable by other means. Third and last, remote data recovery services. Remote data recovery services are designed to help users recover lost or damaged data from their hard drives without having to physically bring their hard drive to a data recovery lab. These services use specialized software and tools to remotely access the user's hard drive and recover the data. In conclusion, hard drive data recovery services are essential for anyone who has lost important data due to a hard drive failure or other issue. Whether you choose to use software based recovery tools, data recovery labs, or remote data recovery services, it is important to choose a reputable and reliable service provider to ensure that your data is recovered safely and effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel.